In today's lecture, we will discuss the concept of marketing mix. Students, marketing mix is a very basic and important concept of marketing management. It helps an organization in increasing sales by attracting consumers towards the product and services. So, every organization must focus on the four elements of marketing, that is product, price, promotion and place, in order to conduct the business more effectively. Hence, a good blend of these four elements, that is the four P's of marketing, is referred to as marketing mix. Students, now try to understand that marketing mix is nothing but the four P's that are commonly used to sell the product in the market. These four P's include the product, price, place and promotion. Now, any modification in the product, either the quality can be increased or decreased, the price can be increased or decreased, promotional activity, that is advertisement, can be done, they can be increased or decreased, line place of distribution can be made available to the customers, defines the strategy for a product. These four P's thus are called as marketing mix elements in marketing management. Now, these four P's, that is product, price, place and promotion, is considered to be the heart of marketing function. Marketing managers uses these four P's in a sensible manner in order to achieve marketing goals such as increasing sales and profit. So, what we have to understand from this slide is there are four P's of marketing: product, price, place and promotion, often referred to as marketing mix tools. The marketing manager uses these four P's: either increase the product quality or decrease the product quality, increase the price or decrease the price, and try to increase the sales for the company. Next, the elements of marketing mix, that is four P's, are used as marketing mix tool, which we have now seen, to promote and achieve the organizational goals. Marketing mix is considered as a core concept strategy to implement marketing operations. Students, the last point in marketing mix we have to remember is the term marketing mix was coined by Neil H. Borden in 1950. Now we have understood what are the different four P's of marketing mix. Now we will see the elements of that is the four P's: product, price, place and promotion, in detail. Students, product, as we all know, that the consumer purchases, is nothing but the simplest element of marketing mix. This element accompanies the attributes, the benefits and competitive advantage which it represents to its customers. The main aim of product is customer satisfaction. Before marketing the product, marketeer must have a clear understanding of his product. So, what does the first P, that is the product, represent? It represents the value for money which the customer is getting. He buys the benefits, which is different from the competitor version of the product. So, when we say product, it is the benefit that is being offered to the customer. Second P is price. What is price after all? It is the element in marketing mix which is very crucial and determines the sales volume and profit of the organization. Variations in price largely affect the price elasticity and marketing strategy of a product. It also influences the demand and supply. try to understand that price can be increased or decreased to get the sales volume of the product. If price increase, demand may decrease, or price decrease, demand may increase. So price is the second element of marketing mix. The third element of marketing mix is the place of distribution. Place, it is the third vital element of marketing mix. Place is defined as a state of providing the right product at the right place at the right time to the customers or consumers. For this purpose, what companies are doing? They are appointing the channels of distribution, also known as intermediaries, to sell the products. And these intermediary comprises of the wholesalers, retailers, and manufacturer sometimes open their own branches to sell the product. So what is place after all? These are the intermediaries that help to distribute the product to the end user. Place also helps in logistical, transactional, and facilitating services. So what is place in marketing mix? Place defines the intermediary, the product which passes from the manufacturing site to the end user is nothing but called as a place. The fourth element of marketing mix is promotion. It is the technique to communicate and inform customers about the product. These techniques may include advertising, sales promotion, personal selling, direct marketing, public relation, word of mouth communication, etc. So what does the fourth element of marketing mix tells us about? It tells us about the communication done by the company to the customers in the form of advertising, sales promotion, direct selling, personal selling, public relation, etc. So what is the purpose of promoting the product? Purpose is to attract the customers to purchase the product. So these are the four elements of marketing mix. These are product, price, place, and promotion. Students, there are three additional P's in case of services. And what are the services like? For example, the doctor service, the courier service, the salon service, the restaurant service. Now, we will try to understand the additional three P's in case of services. The first P in case of service is people. People refer to the employees providing service delivery and also play the role of end users or final consumers. So next P in case of services is people. Second P is process. Process, it is an important marketing function and a part of value chain in comparison with other function. The marketer deploys only those processes which add value to the services delivered. For example, when we order a food from the restaurant, there is a process involved. What is the process like? The waiter takes the order, he delivers the order to the kitchen, and in kitchen food is prepared and it is being served through the waiter again to the table ordered. So this is the process or the P in marketing. In case of say courier service, the courier people collect the parcel, they transport the parcel to the desired destination, and from that destination they again carry the parcel to whom it is addressed. This is the process involved in the couriers. Likewise, there are different processes in case of different services. So in case of services, second P is process, and the third P is of physical evidence. Now students, try to understand that to make the service visible, that is tangible in nature. For example, a doctor's service, he has a good hospital. When we say by seeing the hospital, a very good hospital, what does it mean? It means that the doctor's service is very good. For example, in case of banks, we see the interior of the bank, the ambience in the bank, the lighting in the bank, the painting in the bank, what it all after resembles? It resembles that the bank is very good. What is the main purpose of doing all this thing? Is to make the intangible product to be visible, that is in a tangible form. So the third P in marketing mix element is the physical evidence. It includes the aesthetics, designs, and functionality of the particular place. These attributes involve the exterior, interior, all tangible things such as furniture, vehicles, machinery, service, personal, sign, boards, receipt books, letterheads, visiting cards, etc. So in total, we have seen that there are 4 P's, that is marketing mix tool for tangible product, and 3 P's, that is people, process, and physical evidence in case of the services. Now, we will try to understand what is the importance of marketing mix. Students, as we have already discussed in our previous slides, that the marketeer or the organization uses these 4 P's, that is product, price, place, and promotion, that is modify the price, modify the place, modify the product to make a strategy. So importance of marketing mix, first is it is the linking channel. Marketing mix acts as a linkage between customers and organization. When you design such a strategy that customers are eager to purchase the product, that is, it acts as a linkage between customer and the organization and provide customer oriented marketing. So first importance is it acts as a linkage between the customer and the organization. Second importance of marketing mix is improved sales. When we make the good quality product, give the best price for the product, satisfy the customer, and provide at the right place and right time the product, then automatically the sales of the company will increase. So second importance is marketing mix element tool helps to increase the sales of the organization. Now, the third importance is it try to maintain the relationship between other tools. Marketing mix tool support product, it try to maintain a balanced relationship with price, promotion, and place. For example, if the product is a tangible product, okay, then how to give a packaging to the tangible product? We have to decide it. So what should be the packaging technology like? Decide it. So product defines the packaging, product defines the price, product defines the place where it is to be made available. Likewise, price defines the product, price defines the promotion that is to be done. Suppose you have got a high budget, then you can advertise. Suppose you have got a low budget, so your advertisement dependent on it. So likewise, all marketing mix elements try to maintain a relationship with other elements of marketing and try to achieve the objective of the company. The last importance of marketing mix element, helpful in fulfilling the needs of customer. When we give a good quality product that satisfy the customer needs and wants, give a good price for the product, it naturally will satisfy the customer. So importance is fulfilling the needs of the customer. These are the importance of marketing mix tools. So in today's lecture, what we have seen that what are the different type of marketing mix element, that is product, price, place, and promotion. In case of services, there are 3 additional marketing mix element, that is people, process, and physical evidence. We have also seen the importance of marketing mix tools in marketing management. That's all for today. Thank you.